Good morning, everybody. Guess what we have? SPOT spot. It sold down real hard yesterday. These are the $240 call options that we bought at $7. And then we went straight up to the highs and we sold them at $20 and they're still going higher. And let us identify the trade so that you can see the exact correlation of the options trade. Now, what we will do is when I say we sell up here, we do. And that's what it looks like on a 15-minute level. And here is the 30-minute level. Now, when we go over and we take a look at spot here, we take a look, that spot has done extremely well with the breakout today. Now, by identifying in Panther, which is the market maker for stocks, and each line is 78 cents, and we had a $20 move off of the bottom, you could see the algorithms busting out to all-time highs, and we have the best alert service on the planet. And here it is, 79 IR. Let me show you the algorithm. These are the algorithms that work in the exchanges, and our platform shows it. When the diamonds are ascending, you can see them. That is algorithms, and those algorithms you learn to let them work for who? For you. Now, you have to learn how to sell at the top. So, on the call chart, this is the $240 call chart. 99% of the people never use them, never seen them, don't know how to use them. We'll train you with them daily. Get into the option alert service right now, live trading room. Right now we're pulling back, so you have to know when to sell at the high. And when the IR here was at 100, that is when we know when to sell. And we do. And spot will pull back, but we know when to take the profit because that is a $13 gain. So if you have 5 contracts at $3,500 and you have $13, we'll do the math. Even if you only made $10, it's still a $5,000 trade. Yes, you heard me, and it's live. Get into the live trading room. They do happen. They do show up. $13 game. Buy at the lows at $7. Oh, yes, we did that. One of the things that option traders don't know how to do, and we're market makers in the pit. And when you're making the high, when you're making a breakout here with the market maker stock platform on spot, and it gives you and it tells you right here, and we give that option alert, and then you buy them, bam. But you have to know when to sell at the high, and you can see them pulling back right now. And spot is pulling back with the broader market. Okay, markets had sold off real high, and if you don't know when to exit, 99% of the people never know when to exit, and then their calls are going to come down in value as they will. And right now they are falling in value. So when the stock goes down, then the values here go away. Once again, knowing when to sell the calls at the high, that's 99% of the battle. Guess what? But that's where you make the biggest wealth when it comes to making market and options versus retail option traders. Once again, our platform does all the work. You can see the breakout. Once again, you can see it to 67 IR, knowing when to sell at the highs on every one of them. If you don't know when to sell at the high, then you don't get paid. But guess what? We teach you how to master that as a market maker, being in control of the options. Once again, $240 calls, exiting at $20. They did go to up to the high up there. Unfortunately, they went up to 21.50, but you have to get someone to buy it, and learning how to exit. Direct access trading, direct access market making in options. This is the live Panther chart. It is going right now. You can see that diamond pop and whatnot. Once again, knowing when to sell out. SPOT, $240 calls, 130% gain.